Hello, everybody. It's January 20th. This site, I highly recommend people keep an eye on it. I put a link down below because when this earthquake happened in California, this sensor up here, right here, above 5.0, the sensors at the exact spot of the earthquake in California. As it spread out, all these sensors started going off. They reduced the numbers as it gets lesser and lesser. That's what I saw, but it was above 5 in this right here. It was above 5, but since I wasn't able to catch it because the computer had a little programa, esta gente sigue jodiendo. Dios lo va a castigar. Let me before I lose this information, let me record this and I'll give my 1 cent opinion, what I'm feeling. Maybe you're feeling the same thing too. Let me zero in on it. Okay, it's reading a 5 point, but let's take it before it deletes. Let's copy this before it deletes. There's a lot of swarms over here in South California. Keep an eye on that area big time. You could feel it, just like the animals, all those, what's those doomsday eels? Now, there was an earthquake in New Guinea, 6.2. There's so many earthquakes happening now, folks. Of course, they're going to downplay it. They're going to downgrade it. You know that, and I know that. Okay, see the sensor going off? Second, Illinois. Focus on Illinois right here. Look at the time, 012933. Yeah, it's spreading out. Now look at the sensors. That's New Guinea. Apparently they're having the same time. We got a lot right here. Keep an eye on this when it gets to Illinois. See? Keep an eye on that. Okay, look at all the sensors spreading out. So they're being detected. I don't know the radius from the epicenter. See how it's spreading out? 4.7. But you got over here, over a 5, 4.8. Got 2 earthquakes happening at the same time. That's why they're jumping. See how it's spreading out the sensors? Illinois, you got 4.8. 4.8. See how the sensors are spreading out? Ground motion. Okay, right there. Look at over here, spreading out. So imagine, I heard Dush. That's why I came over here. He lives in St. Louis, and he said he felt it. He said it's about, what, I don't know, 100 miles away from him. So you look over here, the sensors closest to the epicenter are the ones that are above 5. But it's rounding it off, 4.8. So it's spreading out. And I had another one over here, the California, and I missed it because the computer went down. I was looking at the latitude. It was 33.85 latitude when this one kicked off. Now it's gone, the information. I was going to record it, but not 4.9. So you got those 2 earthquakes happening at the same time, which is can't stay focused on the, see what I mean? It jumps. It should be focused only on the United States since it's, okay, see how close it gets to the 6? 5, 6? And I'm going to freeze it. I'm going to freeze it right here. Now, let's focus over here. It's just my opinion, guys. See right here? Let's make it a line right here. Like I said, this was latitude 33.85. I'm going to have to look it up because it was displaying the California. The reason that's important, in my opinion, this is my opinion only. Take it for entertainment purposes, whatever. If you look right there, it's a 5, but it's saying 4.9. Mama, you see all these sensors being affected? P wave, I know about the P wave. So they rounded it off to, but most of the sensors right here, if you look closely, examine this, is it's above 5, most of the sensors, but they got that line, you barely could see it right there to make it a 4.9. So that happened today. This one happened, and the reason that that number caught me is because the same number as a 3i when it was between the video that I did a couple of videos ago. Okay, this video that I did, when was this video? 22 hours ago. The distance on the 17th, remember this mathematics, like the Galactic Center is calling with the musical wind chime. It's all mathematics. It's like a beautiful harmony in the universe. So they go, and 3i's been doing so many mathematical things that, so look at that right there. Isn't that, now, since I can't capture it, if he, hopefully he did a separate video on that event. I was checking out this Earth, when it first, you gotta hear 4.6. So they, you know they're gonna downgrade it. Now, if I could get the latitude on this one right here, when it first, the initial one, which was a 5, over a 5, because all the sensors, most of the sensors in the epicenter was above 5. They brought it down. I don't know what they brought it down to, probably a 3.1 or something like that, knowing these people. They're doing their best to, and you got a lot of activity over here in the Caribbeans also. Keep an eye on the Caribbeans. Basically, I'm just focused on the United States. Okay, that's because of where I live. But around the world, it's going to be, in my opinion, because if anybody want to help me out, it's right here. I got a link right there. Appreciate any type of assistance. Right now, I'm looking at homelessness, folks. Maybe about 2-3 months from now. Okay, what else? Just focus on this. Finish the mission. Okay, now another thing too. Let's take it when the blast hit. Let's keep an eye on, okay, this is where the earthquake in California, this is the red spot. That's when it got really charged. Just before the earthquake. Now let's look at Illinois right here. Let's keep an eye on Illinois also. Yeah, there you got ground charge basically in St. Louis, New Madrid when this happened. Now, is this all connected? Yeah. Others will say, well, no, it's not, it's all coincidence. Oh, everything's forget about the coincidence. I'm going to be jumping left and right. Now, this is what 3i, this is Cancer. 3i, it's where, this is the claw. Just visualize the artistic. This is the claw. It's right near the 44 system. And here's Jupiter. I'll come back to that later. The reason I'm putting this out to the 3D image. So solar system. Today's the 20th. Let's turn it around. Okay, right now that's where 3i is at. Let's zoom in. That tail you see backwards right here, that tail should be facing this way towards the sun. And then we don't know what kind of invisible other, just say without the dimensional connection it has with the sun, but it's definitely connected with the sun. Now we take it to the 21st. The 21st, this is this UTC time. The Earth and the connection with the sun, which is tomorrow. Let's take it to the 22nd, which is a symbolic number. Also too, right there. So the invisible, remember the tail's facing backwards. Everything's backwards, like a parallel universe. Right is left, left is right, whatever. Good is bad, evil is good, and all that equation. So we're looking at tomorrow and the 22nd, the connection. But we already see what's happening with the sun and what's happening, the events around the world. Now that 3385 latitude, I'm going to see if I could find it. Let me take it over here and let me check to see which one will give me the data. Which one will give me the data? About better without distortion. Let's go to USGS. Their job is, we understand their job, keep the numbers down. Okay, latest earthquakes. Let's focus on just the California. Let's just see. Oh, they downgraded it 3.8. Wait a minute, this can't be right. Yeah, they did. Man, that's a little bit too much, guys. That's point one. That's a 111 reduction. No way. We saw the sensors. Let's see. Now it's 3.8. Wait a minute. 3.8. Well, we already know what we know already. Following them for decades and decades and decades. Let's go to California. See the big one. Okay, on this one, the 4.9, they have it at the latitude 33.89. But there was another sensor. The original sensor was 3385. Now let's take a step backwards. But it was 33.85. It was a sensor. I hope that guy that's U.S. Monitor does a separate video when that earthquake happened. He'll get a lot of views. Let's take a step back. So that's what we have. Let me check another site out. Let's check out Volcano Live. These are great sites. I support them. We got a pretty high. It's in the orange zone. Now let's look at strongest quakes. So the planet is rocking. The red is today. Let's see, what was it? Let's look at the 4.0. Pretty good size. Oops, just been knocked out. You got to be one step ahead of them. But since I've got limited resources and I'm facing tremendous, I'm sinking like the Titanic. Nobody gives a damn. I mean, I could provide, like I said, I bring 1% to the table. Basically, my return mission was to save one. That's what I was told and instructed to do. Just do the best, save one. But there's 8 billion people, 7 billion people. Now save one. So it's up to you to save others around your circle. I can't save the world. You know. I'm not even going to imagine if I could. I mean, right now, everything. Let's go back to the volcano before they knock me out again. Trying to see latest quakes. Let's look at the latest quakes. Let's see if they get the longitude before I get cut off. Longitude, latitude. Trying to focus because I'm thinking about being cut off pretty soon. Let's see. Where are you? God, I always used to find this with no problem. Now where's the longitude and latitude? Why is it so difficult to find? Okay, they have it at 33.89. So round it off. Okay, let's go then. You want to play that game? 333. I said on the video, 3333. That's a sign. And then when that solar flash, the ground charge, it hit that spot. It was red. I mean, let's just take a quick look of the world. Last 20 minutes, 2.2. Let's look at anything above 3. Above 3. 12 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, the Philippines look like they got action in the Philippines. California, 38 minutes ago, we got a swarm. Of course, that probably was over a 2. But that's just my opinion. Philippines, we got here Loyalty Island, South Pacific. That happened an hour or something minutes ago. Okay, so where's the Illinois? Where's the Illinois? Maybe it's right there in front of my face and I'm not seeing it. Illinois should have happened about an hour ago. Right? Yeah, about an hour ago. Let's look at it again. No? 17 minutes, 13 minutes. Hawaii, let's see, 1.9. California. No. No. Wow. Okay. So that number, I'm not making no sense. And I'm not going to edit this that much. Let's check out where you want to go. Okay. Something's coming. Keep an eye on the planes. Let's see. Let's look at space weather. Let's see. Subsiding. A lot of red. Oh, that's a beautiful picture. A lighthouse in the sky on fire. France. Okay, so we still got the storm, still severe. Yeah, it's going down, but still, I mean, past, yes, still. I mean, some chart here has it at a 9 or 10, but you know what I know. Oh, let's check out the dashboard, electrical. Let's check out the ground. Gotta keep an eye on the ground. That's how they charge. That's where you get the magma and all that stuff down there. Let that play, and let this play. The time is the date's 1:20. There's the time, UCT time. Let's look at let's keep our eye. Let's keep our eye in this area. Oops. One day I'll figure it out. Let's keep our eye in this area and New Madrid. This area. You can see the charge and the time down in the bottom. Right there. Yeah. Still charging the ground. And still, look, it's still charging the ground in Southern California. And keeping an eye over here. Boy, Minnesota's getting fried. No wonder all that Locuda behavior. But that's what's happening in Minnesota. We're in a civil war, folks. We're being taken over. Chapter 17, verse 5. Verse 6. Yeah. Look at down here. And look at Illinois, where there was that earthquake. Yeah. So, okay, we're currently at a 3, which is, think about category 3. Let's get me out of here. Well, spending, this is Elon saying this is troubling. Spending and intake. Well, you take away all the fraud from Minnesota, all the daycare center getting what, $1 million, $2 million. Some getting $8 million with nobody in it. Look at all the waste, and then collecting Social Security and fraud. Every single fraud you could think of is happening, and it's being revealed. Everything. So now the other side could cheat like crazy. I mean, they control the system, folks. Who do you think mans the voting system? The teachers union. That's why they got that under control. They could put anybody. 90% of the people could vote for that person, but the other person will still win. Figure that out. And they do it in the open. They don't even hide it. They'll change it right there. We're in the end time, folks. This is the book of Revelation right before your eyes. And they got that poor lady, the old lady, Gold Star. In other words, her son died. And she's a gold mom. And she was a worker at one of these in Colorado. And she said, hey, wait a minute, something's wrong here. And next thing you know, and then she discovered the fudge, the ice cream fudge. And they put her in jail. This is like a martyr. Like that movie, what was that movie? The Seventh Seal. This is the martyr. This is the test. While the harlots, the chapter 17, verse 5, the nation of harlots, the mystery of Babylon, which is the United States. Yeah, I got a lot of impressions. If I could get that 1,000, but the thing is I have to get a blue check mark, and I can't get it. I mean, I come so close, but I was financially destroyed. And they just do it in the open. Probably the same protesters you see. Yeah, they change votes. And they don't even hide it. That's what controls. That's your problem. That's your nation. But we're not fighting with the sexist folks. We're not fighting against females. They, them. It's a battle between good and evil. Period. No colors. No sex. You of God, you of God. You of Jesus, you of Jesus. I'm of Jesus. And you got the other side. And they don't care. They'll break the law. They'll do anything. Anything. They're protecting all these. There's protesting to protect all these guys that kill, rob, break in your home, slash your throat, are the girls. And this is the professors in the schools. This is demonic possession, folks, and brainwashing all these young. It's right there, man. If I had that blue check mark, I used to give them up. I used to get in the thousands, 6,000. This one was funny. See your eyes. It wasn't for the glass. Your eyes went backwards. They don't care about none of these victims. Protecting Colorado. Protecting. Probably this was a saint. I don't know. Still, regardless, don't matter. Highly check her out. Keep support her. That's pretty cool. I did videos on him in his chart. I wonder if that's Women's Study Program. Been following him for 50 years. 1962 video I did, the 45 goals they're going to destroy the United States, which started in the 40s, in the 50s. They all combined together. They all joined forces. And they said they would take care of every single institution. Eliminate men. What's it? They say, well, we need to eliminate 87% of the male and the rest will be slaves. They said men, all men. That's why they established this child support system, which was in the 70s, by the way. Since your younger generation think that's normal. No, it wasn't normal before. It wasn't that. And I already did a video on the war on men, child support, and the body count. Well, yeah, we're living in a nation of harlots. And yeah. Don't you think their family is crying for justice for all these? That's not including the children, like vampires. Well, the comet Wolf, when I did that Wolf comet, G3, and it did mention the battle of the wolf and the vampires. I mean, the bad wolf. Oh, I gotta leave it. Look at this one. You got it. This is so, keeps being popular and popular and popular. Listen, wait,
all right, take them to court. 4 times divorce, 4 times. Let's see, let's go. You tell me, what do you want to know?
What is the most toxic thing that you've ever done?
Okay, let's do this. All right, take them to court and then get a good divorce lawyer.
Now, imagine if you got 4 lawyers going after you because the family's of lawyers. And then you got a lawyer from way down south, away from the district where everybody knows each other. Same universities, same fraternity, and then your luck. It wasn't my luck. It was God did that.
Of course, take them for half of the retirement.
Yup. And the way they did it, when I had to go pro se in the last minute, she wanted $15,000, and I was dealing with the medical issue with the foot pain. It resulted in amputation because I diverted, and then the other one was the VA with the chemical exposure. I was dealing with that at the same time, and I had to drop that because the VSO here in Lake County didn't do his job, didn't care. Put down something about your heart. I told him that I didn't come in here for, it was, I mean, why are you sending me to heart specialists? And they did find anomalies, but it doesn't qualify for the VA compensation, so I got screwed there too. And then when I walked in there to try to find some, food, as soon as I walked in, the receptionist went back and they came back. We could see you on February 28th. I said, I didn't come in to set up an appointment. I just said, do you guys have any, since you guys advertise as assisting veterans, any food banks? This is 2 days before Thanksgiving. 2 days before Thanksgiving. You want to talk about exposing evil. I mean, and the thing is, the chemical exposure would have helped. If I would have got that, it would have helped me out. I wouldn't be in this situation because the other side basically Had me refinance the mortgage. Before, it was calculated, folks. It was genius. Oh, we'll pay you back. Help the daughter. We'll pay you back. We'll pay you back. Never did pay me back. Next thing you know, they're in Hawaii. All of a sudden, the way the court happened, since I got screwed, I go into court. I didn't know what a motion this, motion that. I didn't even get a copy. I did not even get a copy of their complaint. Nothing. And I was in pain. I was in such extreme pain. And then the video didn't work. The Zoom. The judge couldn't even see me. The judge should be able to see somebody's face. And it was cutting in, cutting out, cutting in, cutting out. I didn't get none of the motion. They were talking lawyer talk. Statute this, that's that. I'm like, what the fuck? What? And next thing you know, I thought, I showed the truth. It didn't matter. You tell the truth and nothing but the truth to help you God. It didn't matter. All this was a test. You don't think, well, God sees it all. Jesus sees it all. The angels see it all. I was returned. I should not be here. I wish I never did return. But I had to experience this. Now, the Titanic, I'm referring to my ship, is right now the water is in the deck. Okay, let's listen to this. This is the playbook.
Take them half of their property and then fight them for.
I can't even sell my property. I can't sell my property. I can't do nothing. My mortgage used to be $600, now it's $1,200. Now I'm behind. I asked for help for the VA and I haven't heard nothing yet back. The social worker, the new one. Oh, we're gonna help you. Nada.
Higher child support, okay? And a couple of years from now, hit you up for more child support every 3 years.
She loves it. That's a demon. That she uses a weapon, body weapon, to get her victims.
Every 3 years, you go up from maybe 200 to 300 to 400 to 500.
And they go on trips. They're probably somewhere in Aruba. Look like Aruba. I don't know what the hell that back there. Traveling on the money that they stole from the victims, the vampires. We got demons in all forms. Somebody that does this is a demon. Period. End of story. Find me one good thing here.
Get up to $2,000 per child.
Look at the eyes.
But I got one child right here. And right here, her daddy paying child support for her. Of course, it always is.
She's embarrassed. The mother doing that. But they got to defend the mother. Mother's always right. The men are expendable. Men are expendable. But yet men would defend these laws. They would defend them. Oh, that's the ring that I saw in Hawaii. It showed up in Brazil. Showing up all over the place. Same pattern. Just changes colors. Yeah, these guys are making a killing. Got transportation companies that... Does that look like a transportation company? Let's see.
For Safari Transportation. But this is registered for Safari Transportation 607.
Okay, we don't know.
We're asking where Safari Transportation is.
We don't know.
Okay, so the business is not here.
Dorica.
Fuad Omar.
We don't know.
All that money's being stolen. We're talking billions, folks. Trump said 50 billion. This state alone. And who knows how many. Imagine the money you could divert to St. Jude Hospital, all the children hospital, giving homes to veterans. That the one that shelters for homes, Patriots for Homes. There's a group that provides homes for veterans, and I can't remember the name right now off the bat. Support some of them. You got homeless, 38,000 veterans in the streets out there. I'm ranty, guys. I'm in a ranting mood because this might be my last video. So I'm just going to say it like it is. So much happening. Here, let's see. Listen to this one.
What's your message to straight white conservative men?
Listen to minorities, listen to women, listen to people who are trying to educate you.
Bullshit. Bullshit. Now they're going after the white men. They've been going after men, period. Family men, straight men, even the gay men. They just don't realize it yet. That movie, that Star Trek, the new Academy generation. Where are the white guys? It's all men. All you got to do is look at the war on fathers. The statistics, numbers don't lie. And I'm talking statistics way back, before a majority of you were even born. This is for documented purposes.
Don't live in ignorance just because it's easy.
What is a woman?
What is a woman? Oh, that was the one I saw in the Senate. Can a man get pregnant? A doctor, the scientist, is highly educated with 20 degrees after degree, couldn't answer the question. You see the locura? You see the locura? And I'm crazy? Let's see what. That sounds like a loaded question. What is a woman? 50 years of spending almost what, $1 trillion or hundreds of billions and billions and billions. A women's study program, that basically was like a madrasa to train them for generations. Because they said it would take 7 decades because they had to take away brick by brick and replace them with the brainwash. So after the this is the 7th year right now. It was supposed to be 2020. Oh yeah, 2020, because if Trump didn't win, it delayed it a little bit. By 2020 so they're behind schedule. Now they control all the systems. There's no fair, none. Look at the last expression. But we're supposed to take advice from her. Listen to her. We're supposed to listen to her. Men, or they're going after the white men, but in reality they're going after all men, period. Families, godly men, Christians. Look at the churches, all the churches that are being burnt across the world, in Europe and America. So that's a woman. She doesn't know what a woman is. Where did they get that from? And you got these praising. See, Cole Pink was spend a lot of time the same, going over there. I mean, these are communists. If I was the other side, I was used. Their tactic is genius. Use the women. They got the energy. They got the support. They got billions and billions and billions of dollars of support. I mean, destroy the ego from within, which is prophesied in the book of Revelation. And Enoch, the last generation, basically touches upon this, gives us clues. That's why a lot of those Bibles, a lot of those books were banned. You could feel it. It brought me back to we've been covering them for decades, like the Father's Rights. I know everything, how they did it. But all the sites, the men sites, basically the Nazi wives, all that has been eliminated from the web. You can't find it nowhere. All the groups gone, ghosts. Let's listen to this one. There's thousands of stories.
Zone, according to the SBA, is a zone that's not really built up, that's more, as you can see, run down. So they give preferential treatment for grants to companies that are set up in these zones. So we don't even know if the guy even lives here, if he's renting it out to someone and he just owns the place. But technically it's a rocket company that's rented out to other tenants, which makes it even weirder if that's the case.
The thing that really pisses off a lot of people, obviously, is that places like this shouldn't be receiving $4 million.
A rocket company, right there. That's your rocket company. That's your SpaceX in the ghetto. $4 million. Now, if I had that money, that's wasted, stolen, making the debt go up, destroy the ego from within, I would take that money and donate it to St. Jude. That's just one. I mean, they were so happy they got $3 million. That's because they get donations. Right there, people get free medical for their children, housing. They don't have to worry about a bill. But no, they don't care for it. Jesus said, they will have eyes, but they won't see. Now, you go protest, you get about 1,500 plus probably benefits and all that. I mean, if I went there, let's say 2 weeks, which I wouldn't do, and get 3,000, I wouldn't be in this problem right now. So I know it sounds like pennies to a lot of So this is basically what it is. Let's listen to them. They'll do anything. If you think there's fair elections, forget it. They'll do anything. Give a damn about the family. No King's Day. You see those knuckleheads with the nude, but still with the No King's Day, and Martin Luther King Day. Jesus Christ. Let's see what it was with these characters. Yeah. Commit crime, hey, to protect you. Here illegally, stealing millions, folks. Million is another one.
My fucking words. I hope you remember Ashley Babbitt. She deserves to die.
That's that woman that got killed in the January 6th. She was a SP, just like me, military police, but she was in the Air Force, and she got killed. She wasn't even armed. And these people tell me, is that coming out of her mouth that holy? And look at this one in the background. Look at that shapeshifter.
I hope Ashley Babbitt's getting eaten by fucking worms.
Look at this right back here. That's a shapeshifter, right there. You look at that, right there in your face. Looks like something like out of a movie. We're in the spiritual war, folks. This is it. We're in the end times. We're getting ready to be taken home. That's the good thing. That's why God keeps telling me, let it go, let it go. Lord, I need to file a civil suit. No, Lord, let it go. Lord, but I'm going to lose the house. I'm going to be on the streets. Let it go. But Lord, I had a loud ringing last night. Like I said, this is my probably my final video. I hope not. I pray it's not, because y'all need me, because I'm one step beyond. I put things together before it even happens, and also to solutions. But the solutions I just throw it out the door. It's over. One thing is just pray and put some holy people out there, holy men, holy women, holy family, holy people that are reserved, that's gonna be seeing the golden. That's the dream I had. First I had a loud ring, but this time it was a loud ring. I was sleeping. I don't know, it was 1 or 2 in the morning, 3, and then I was taken to this golden place, and I was given a tour. It was pure gold, bright, white, peaceful, no pain. And I was talking to an angel, archangel, or Jesus. I don't remember, because I remember everything, the conversation. I was given a tour in this dream, vision. It's a dream. No, and at the dream, I was being told everything. And then you're not going to remember the details when you wake up. But at least you got reinforced. You got a reminder of the place that I was there. So it's so vivid, folks. And then I woke up, and then everything got wiped out. The only thing the Lord let me have was that you were there. Now, I want to give you some. Save one. Keep saved. You got one saved already. You're done. You basically saved. Basically helped somebody that was thinking about giving up ministry, and now that person has been elevated, shining that lighthouse bright. Because this lighthouse for 40 years, 30 years, is basically flickering. Too much battle war. I've been destroyed from within. It was perfect.
I hope she's getting eaten by worms. I hope her eyeballs.
And they laugh. Look at this one. This one got power. Look at, mira. Simple. Oh, this one's standing behind, hiding her face. Shape-shifting face, darn it. Look it. Of course you're going to throw one guy in there. You know what I mean? Oh, we for 1,500, man. They promised me 1,500 if I march. That'd pay my car payment, my rent, my mortgage.
Rotting out of her fucking body.
Look at the eyes, if you can see them. Oh, there's their shapeshifter. Still, get away from this. Let's listen to this one.
Why can Harvard say it? Abolish the white race. Make no mistake about it, we intend to keep bashing the dead white males and the live ones and the females too until the social construct known as the white race is destroyed. Not deconstructed, but destroyed. Is this an isolated incident? No, no, not just at Harvard, but amongst all universities, as this is what is being pushed. Anti-white, anti-white, anti-white. And it's actually been very successful amongst the white liberal women. They have fallen for this propaganda to demonize specifically white men.
It's all men, mija. Until we unite, until the divide and conquer. You guys ever play that game, divide and conquer? It's all, okay, let's put it this way. It's all males. I don't care what color, what sex, whatever, that's all. It's all. Period. Period. The reason they fear the white men because they serve in the military and they're geniuses. A lot of them are geniuses. Who do you think fixes these same locals that, and then when their pipe breaks, who are they going to call? Who's going to show up?
And it's what DEI was meant to do, lift other people up, to push down white.
DEI would think spiritual. You're going to lose the battle if you keep, focusing on it's spiritual. Spiritual. Ephesians chapter 6, verse 12, period. End of story. It's all males. Get rid of the father. That's back in the fight that I started back in the 80s, 90s, 2000, 2010, and then we got nuked. All the thing got wiped out. How did we know we were up against a machine that was running on billions of dollars? Well, we only had what do we have? About $10,000 if we were lucky in our combined, and we had them pegged out, folks. Oh, let me end here. I'm getting a ring, loud ring. So let me end here. Wait. Let me pick it. Make it bigger. Let me play it. This was the last day of Christmas, by the way. The next day they took the reef out. That was back in January 11th. 111. Clarence, or the angel, It's a Wonderful Life. That's the first thing that comes in my mind. All these heroes. William. Dorothy. See, it's not a male and female things. There were female veterans. James, John, did they die for nothing? What did they die for? They bought them over there. They won the battle over there. But in the end, we were taken down from within. All prophesied. Repent right now. Right now. Because all the signs I've been following Luke 21, 30 years. It's here, folks. Now, I don't know if 1%, this is meant for one person. One person. You got people out there talking about, they're making tons of money. Chosen one this, chosen one that, chosen one. Chosen one, you're going through this problem. It's because of this, that, and they're living high class. They got, God bless them. A real chosen one is one that's broken. A real chosen one shows up at the right place at the right time to save people. Like an angel. They don't even know who I am. They don't even know my situation. I wonder if they knew my situation. who suffers. They send the best of the best to who has against them. They run the system. A good person will not leave somebody starving on Thanksgiving and Christmas. Only one place here in Tavares, and I'm going to promote them if I do another video. Love Extension. It's on my Facebook. I give them praise. That's the only place, that provided me a bag that gave me, you call these 211 help. Now, if I would have, I got the, it was what it was. But there's going to be a judgment when you get the real judge, the real jury, the 12. And yeah, they'll take the time. You say, well, it's $8 billion. They're going to do every single one. No, every single one's going to get your trial. There's a lake of fire, and there's a heaven. Elevated to a beautiful place that's 1,000,000 times better looking than what we have here now on earth. Oh, 1926 to 1998, husband and wife. They lived together. There was none of this. In the old days, before the locusts took over everything, started making all these hate men laws, crucifying the father, breaking up the family in 1966. Since I lived in the ghettos in Chicago, I could relate to that. And there was family. People back then, look in your history books, you might find it somewhere in there with dust. There used to be when family got married, they stuck together to the end. They were obeying the 10 Commandments. Now the 10 Commandments don't mean nothing. And what they're doing to children, folks, your worst horror movie that you on the planet that's on the movie theaters won't even come close to what reality is. So all these veterans, I salute you, and God bless you all. And this mission is completed, basically. What more? I've given more than 1% with the stars, with everything. Put the mathematics together. And for my family, I love you. I know the other side is slander and total thing. I haven't even, if I was to do the same thing after the court date, after the crucifixion, they continue to disattach me from my family, and also to this monitoring on the phone and all that. And I know you're monitoring me. You already told me. We could see your TV. We could see this. We could do this. We could listen to your phone. Good. Listen to this. Why listen to this when you could see the videos? Oh, we want to see what you're doing behind when you're not doing videos. So there's no freedom, folks. I'm a prisoner. I'm a prisoner. I am a chosen one, folks. 2 times returned, maybe 3, in that creature. I never, ever got to talk about the creature and that human place, that thing that chased me through the jungle. Invisible. But, yeah. I just saved one. This is meant for one. This is where I'm looking at the sun. The sun is bright. The camera don't work. I had it work. I was looking at the sun last night, yesterday, and I put it on unlisted. Well, I saw some writings on it. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you this video right here. Asking for help, because it took me a while to see to see what, maybe everybody gets their own, maybe everybody sees their own thing. But I would look at this video that I did. That's what I saw. Those numbers right there. Right here. I was watching a football game. I know I could have recorded it. It was clearer, about 50% clear. But the game, I was in the game. I don't want to do another video. I'm more reluctant. I'm like Jonah. But it was like, looks like a 7. It looks like a 4, 1, 7, M. And I mean before. And some weird, different type of writing, alien type writing, was on the sun. Basically telling me the way I look at it. I don't know, maybe I'm totally wrong. Maybe having illusions. SDO put some sort of stamp on that thing. I don't know. 417M. 7 over here too. I mean, you can look at the video if you want. That's what it is. So that's what I leave right now. Venting. I mean, venting. Repent. Focus on me, said Jesus. Focus on me. When that loud horn sounds, what you do it right now. Focus on me. Remember, 3-Eye Atlas. What is it, tomorrow and the next day? The magnetic field's falling apart. You got bees, everything falling down, birds dying, UFOs, compadres all over the place. The gates of hell has been opened. Chapter 17, the mystery of Babylon. Everything. Signs. Chapter 21, Luke. Look, check. All 3 checked. Look at the Revelation. Check. Look at Enoch. Check. All the prophecies. Hopi prophecy. Everything. Check. Look at the behaviors. Check. Look at the war on light, souls. Check. The break up the family. Check. The genocide, massacre on the Christians. Check. Burn off their churches. I don't care if it's 500 years old or 1,000 year old. Check. Education. 99.999% controlled. They supported D Party. What did they'll just do the 9th month. It doesn't matter anymore, like Virginia tried to do. Remember the governor before? Virginia? Focus on Virginia. They did it. They said, well, after it was born, we'll make you, we could put him asleep. Remember that? Check. These are bloodsuckers, man. These are things that are not from this. Well, they are from this. They've been released. They control. Harvest is coming soon. No, now I'm starting to see pareidolia. That was now that maybe it's just my imagination. I don't know. No, I do know. I've been there, been done that. I've done this and that. And in the end, where is everybody? Where's my inner circle? Gone. You did a good job. It was excellent. I salute you. Your mission, you accomplished your mission. Destroy the lighthouse. Destroy the last of the Mohicans. Destroy the first minority fathers' rights activist. Destroy him. Destroy the seer. Destroy the magi. Destroy the chosen one. You done it. You done the mission. And lie about it. See, there's always 2 sides to the story, folks. I've done some bad things too. I'm not going to say I haven't. I've done bad things. But not this. I've helped, pumped out. $60,000 is a lot of money to be taken away, to be hustled. And on top of that, a new car, basically. And on top of that, the house, pension, Social Security. You waited 10 years, you got Social Security. You got everything. But you couldn't spare a $20 meal? And you take away a children's present on Christmas, after Christmas, after I bought it? Because you forgot to delete the stuff on the computer? And you come in my house and raid my house. I couldn't call that lawyer because they were stealing it $300 just to try to get a copy of the bill. Oh, we're sorry, you made a mistake. And next thing you know, the trial We thought we had it all figured out in mediation. No, they changed it. They know the financial situation I was in. Break them. They did. They suffering with the damn toe, the foot, you did it. I salute you. Enjoy the blood of a chosen one's hard work throughout his life to finally get retired, gets disabled, get the heart attack, this, that, and then gets stripped of everything. No mercy, no compassion. But they play like they're the holy ones because the snake knows how to talk. That's what's happening around the world, folks. That's what's happening around the world. You see it, you feel it, you dream it. The good people are going to be with Jesus. Period. I'm not going to come here and lie to you about that. All the signs that I was basically put here to observe is completed. The mission is completed. Love you. I love you. I know I spoke in the riddle. I talk like the Riddler. And a lot of you didn't even understand. Oh, the old timers, the one that stuck with me in the background. Because I'm feeling a tremendous transformation. Tremendous. Just look at my history. Look at my past video. Hopefully this survives. If it don't, it will be turned 7 times worse. 7. My loved one, forgive me. I am sorry that I was so stupid after being warned. But it was all meant to be for a reason. Everything's in God's hand. Vengeance will be mine, said the Lord.